but let's do it with this one. Look at the back of this sucker, okay? This is a toy hauling luxury fifth wheel, okay? So what you're actually looking at is the bedroom up there. All that you see, that is the bedroom, okay? And when you have a toy in there, the bedroom goes up. When you get to where you're going and the toy comes out, the bedroom goes down. All right, so we'll go look on the inside.
Angela's in a mood today.
Is she?
Take it off, take it off. Oh, sorry.
Behave yourself.
That's
people watching. All right, as you can see, 141-618, normally 208. Well, hello there. Hello there, precious. Hi. You got a new friend. Hi.
Oh.
How are you? How are you? Oh,
your colors are beautiful.
You're so cute.
Oh my goodness.
Hi. Okay, go that way. All right, we're gonna go in here. Oh, the 42 FSKG. Look at this.
Now, I'm not putting the awning toppers on because I need a quote. Right. And they're going to be metal wrap, and you're going to have the option to leave
The big lights are off up here, so it's a little dark. But look at this thing. This is a chef's kitchen if I've ever seen one before.
Yes, it is.
Here, let me go here.
Okay.
Huge sink, solid surface countertop, stove in the center island, big refrigerator back there by Lisa. Somebody's behind us doing their paperwork and buying. So we're going to acquire it. Over here, microwave and another countertop. Yeah, this is amazing. This has a couple of chairs that overlook the living room. And huge TV. That is a 65-inch TV, guys. Absolutely gigantic. In the living room, there's 2 theater chairs here, sofa over there, and then he is actually sitting at a dedicated office space. That is a desk right there. Okay? So let's move on. Let's not forget the fireplace. There looks to be some hidden storage right here. Oh, just lift up. Remember I was talking about the bedroom? See, this whole area that we're walking into lifts up, and you put your toy underneath there, okay? So you can sort of see, if you go back, the headboard, there's sort of this guide for the headboard. So when it goes up, that headboard goes up behind the upper cabinets. Very, very well done. Now, because of which, it's a little skinny in here, meaning it's a little hard to get on that side. And I nearly killed myself trying to get down that side with my backpack on, right? Special heater in here just to heat this area up. Nice cabinetry, very well done, guys. Washer and dryer is back behind here. And you've got some storage up here and a TV already there in place.
Yeah, this is nice.
This is a great floor plan.
Yeah.
Great
Gypsy says
storage.
she loves the kitchen. Angela says that's so amazing. And Gypsy says, wow, best layout yet.
Right?
Oh, and Gypsy also said prices are fair. She's surprised. They were really good prices here.
Bathroom.
Yeah.
I skipped over it, but toilet's tall and fluffy approved. The shower is sort of flush mounted to the floor. It's just like an inch up. And so there's not a problem with someone my height. Okay,